That's how much I made this month in September, almost $19,000, with a new model I created exactly a month ago. Most of the people think that AI influencer wave is over, or this is too much technical to make money using these models. But they are wrong. Well, actually, the problem is everyone is struggling with the unrealistic or the plasticky AI faces, whereas the industry's top creator are using specific engines to monetize these models and to get realistic results. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create ultra-realistic AI influencer and how to monetize them. And the platform that we're using is the MySnap Face. And this is the interface of this AI tool. And the special thing about this AI tool is that this is designed to create the AI influences. So you can see we have a couple of different tools over here. We have the tools for the video. We have the tools for the images. You can also keep the character's voice consistent throughout these voice notes. But if we look at the clone video, we have a bunch of different options over here. And you can even select the tools from the drop-down menu. And here you can see we have two different options. We have the replace option and the animate option. So I'm going to explain both of these modes through the examples. So basically, the replace option will replace the character from the original video. And with the animate option, you can transfer the video motions to any image. Now let me show you why it's different. So let's just continue with the replace option first and simply upload the image of your character. So for example, I'm uploading the image of my character, and then we have the option to choose the video. So if you want to choose the trending videos that are trending on the social media right now, you can also choose them by just scrolling down. But if you want to upload your own video, simply go to the video section and you can simply paste the URL, or you can upload the video from your own device. So I'm selecting this video, and remember that I have chosen the replace option. Now hit generate, and let's see what that gives us. And look at that, how beautifully it replaced the character. And can you tell that this is AI generated? Come on, man. Just look at the motions, expressions, and now you know why this AI tool is different from the other AI tools, because you cannot expect the same level of quality from any other AI tool. Just look at the expressions, motions, and the character consistency. Everything is spot on. So, this was a simple video. No lip syncing, just a simple B-roll. Now let's see how does it perform with the lip syncing. So, here's the lip syncing version. Obviously, I cannot play the music, but if we look at the lip syncing, if you are listening this with the music, you cannot tell that this is AI. And here's another example with the lip syncing feature. Again, we have the same model. We are using the same image, same dressing of this model. But the lip syncing, if you just listen this with the music, you cannot detect that this is AI generated. So that is why I was saying that this tool is different from others, because I haven't seen this level of lip syncing and this level of quality by any other tool. Because this is just maintaining the skin textures and the actual realism of our AI model. This is not smoothing out the face, and this is the thing that can make or break your video. Now let's move on to the animate features. So simply upload the image where you want your animation to be done. So I'm using this image, and in the video section, let's capture the motions of this video. So simply upload it and hit generate. So here is the output, but now the motions has been transferred to our own image. So, if you're thinking that we don't want to replace the character, we want our own animation, this is the results in front of you. So, it doesn't matter which option you are using. This works insanely good in both of these scenarios. And here's another example of the animate feature. And you can see this is performing really well. Yes, there are some minor issues, but it depends on the motions of the video that you are choosing. So that's how it works. Now let me show you some other cool features. For example, we have the carousel features. So if you want to post the carousel images, you can simply select the image of your character. Then you can go with the aspect ratios, the dimensions. Then we have the number of images. And then if you want to give it any guidance, you also have the options. But if you just want to rely on the AI, you can simply hit generate. And now we have the carousel of our AI influencer from different angles. So that's another cool feature. And another cool feature is the voice notes, where you can keep your character's voice consistent. And first you have to select your character. You can see these are all pre-generated characters, but if you don't have any character, you can simply go to the create character option. And from here, you can build a one character from a scratch. We have two different options. You can upload your own images, or you can rely on the AI to generate images for you. Let's upload our own character. You can just give it a name. Well, it's preferred to upload 20 images, and once it's done, hit submit. And once your character has been trained, again, head back to the voice nodes. And from here, now you can see we have our character Anna. So I'm going to simply select it. And from the voices, you can select any voice that is going with our character. Let's go with this Hannah voice. And here are the tips how you can make your voice sound more natural. And based on this, I have pasted my script and hit generate.
Okay, listen to this. A real voice isn't perfect. It breathes. It pauses. And when it matters, it feels real. That's the difference.
And once you have got your content ready, the next step is actually to monetize this. So I have been talking to the team behind this app, and they have built a private Discord where they show you exactly where to post this content and how to monetize this. And they even have the masterclass that covers the entire monetization blueprint from a scratch. So if you sign up this website, you can access this for free by just clicking on this community button inside of your dashboard. So the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from today. See you in the next one.